Hi guys, it's me Shante and welcome back to Shake It Up with Shante. If you've been here before, it's always welcome back and thank you so much. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome and thank you. Before I go any further, if this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and go ahead and turn your notification bell on so every time I upload one of these easy peasy recipes, you'll be notified. So go ahead and do that right now before we even get into this video. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my fully loaded baked potato. Husband wanted fully loaded baked potato, and guess what? Fully loaded baked potato it is. So it's really kind of sort of like a fully loaded baked potato and a twice baked potato because I'm going to be putting this in the oven twice. Without further ado, let's shake something up. All right, so for my fully loaded baked potato, I got some broccoli over here that I need to cut up and clean. I got a couple of ribeyes because that's going in my baked potato. I have some shrimp already here, washed, rinsed, deveined, clean, already ready. I got two cheeses. I got a mozzarella and I have a Velveeta. I have some garlic powder, onion powder, some Ribeye seasoning with cilantro and lime. This is going to act as my salt because I won't be putting any salt in it. I have a few parsley flakes. I have some Old Bay, of course, some black pepper, some minced garlic, and some lemon pepper. I also have half a lemon and some butter. So I'm going to go ahead right here, turn my stove on for my shrimp. This is going to be for my shrimp. Let me turn this on right here for my broccoli. I'm turning my back skillet on for my ribeyes. Yes, y'all, I'm cooking all this at one time. And guess what? My potatoes are already done because I know these are some huge potatoes. And I put these in the oven on about 380, which my oven is still on because I'm going to put them in there again. But I cooked them for about an hour and 40 minutes. That's how big these potatoes are. An hour and 40 minutes on 380 and they are already done. They're just sitting here in a bath of water, cooling down, wrapped in foil. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to make this video without any edits, y'all. We're going to see how that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and put my butter in my skillet. This is going to be for my shrimp. This is going to be for my steak. I'm going to add a little oil over here with my butter for my steak. Just a little bit of this Crisco. Just like so. I'm going to let that oil melt together. Open my garlic. Going to put that in here with my butter for my shrimp. I got my water over here for my broccoli. I'm going to put a little bit of that down in there. I'm going to take my broccoli over to the sink, give it a good rinse, and cut up really quickly while that melts down. Alright, y'all, so I got my garlic and butter over here for my shrimp. I almost let it burn. I was over there washing all my broccoli, cutting it up. Alright, so I'm going to put that right in there, put a little bit of that right in there. I'm going to put some Old Bay, lemon in there. Half a lemon. Okay. My water for my broccoli, just a little bit. Just a little bit of water for my broccoli. I'm going to put a top on it. Okay. Alright. Here go my steak. Then it's ready to go. I'm going to put some seasoning on that. And once I flip it over, I'm going to put some seasoning on the other side. Now this how I normally don't cook my steak exactly like this because I'm cooking it this way because it's going in my baked potato. But you do want to, when you cook this steak on top of the stove, you want it like a medium high. You want it like a medium high so that it can cook thoroughly, real quickly. Alright, so I got my shrimp going right here. Oh my God, y'all, these smell so good. Put a little Old Bay on my steak. Just a little bit. Alright, let that cook. Got my broccoli going. Got the shrimp going. I'm gonna add a little Worcestershire sauce to my steak. All right, so this is my done baked potato. As y'all can see, this thing is hot, right? So I'm holding it with a towel, but I still have it in the foil. I'm just gonna skim the top off this, just like that. I'm gonna take all the potato out. And you'll know when your potato is done. It takes a long time to cook a baked potato in the oven. I know a lot of people just do theirs straight out the microwave sometimes, but to me that just ain't right. That just ain't right. I will take some shortcuts though, but for some reason I like my potato out the oven. And I know it takes a long time, but hey, I like it out the oven. And if you're gonna use your shell to put your potato back in, be careful with scraping it. You don't want to tear it. You don't put a hole in it. That way it can end up just like this. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and flip my steak, y'all. Alright, so my shrimp done. Go over here. Broccoli done. It only took this quick. Now this is a quick meal, y'all. If y'all have the potatoes already ready, then the rest of it is real simple. See, I put a little water in here. It pretty much steamed that broccoli. It steamed that broccoli up really, really good. I'm gonna put some of this on it, some of the cilantro lime seasoning. I'm gonna put some of that on it. And it's pretty much done. Well, it is done. It's steamed to just how you like it. You don't want it to overcook. And I put a tad bit of water in there, put a lid on, and that was it. That's done. And the only thing we're waiting on is the steak. And for me to finish these potatoes, I'm going to give that steak about 3 minutes, and it will be ready. Y'all, so I'm finishing my potatoes. I only did 3, even though I baked 5, but I only did 3. See, there's my potato shell. Now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put some butter in here. I'm going to put some mozzarella in here. I'm going to put a little bit of shredded Velveeta. Put some black pepper. Open up the other side. Put some onion powder, some garlic powder, put a little bit of this Cajun seasoning in here, and I'm gonna mix this up. I'm adding some of my broccoli in here, y'all. That's why I chopped them up real small. Add a couple of shrimps and some of that juice. Yep. And I'm gonna mix this. All right, now that I got this all mixed up, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and stuff my skin shells. And you want to pile these on here. You want to pile this up. Yeah, like I said, I made 5 of these, but I have to do the other ones separate without any shrimp in them. So I'm only going to do these 3 for now. You want to pile these big boys up just like that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You want to stuff these things Get as much as you. This is a whole meal, y'all. This is a whole meal. Whole meal. Oh my goodness, y'all. And look, I still got more filling, but we gonna eat that right there. We just gonna say that and eat that. Now I'm gonna take some of mine. Let me take a couple of shrimp and just put it on the top of these. Just like so. Okay. And then, hold on, before I do that, let me sit this to the side, y'all, and get my steak. So, y'all, now that I got my steak over here, I've already let it rest. So, I'm just gonna cut it up. Ooh, y'all, look how tender that thing is. On top of the stove. Top of the stove, hunty. Stove top steak. Even with the fattening and everything on there. I want it all on there. The fat and everything. Y'all, so I done cut up my steak. Put this steak on top of here, hunty. And these are some ribeyes, y'all. Just in case if I ain't tell y'all. These are some ribeyes. And now I'm gonna put a little cheese on top. And we're gonna throw this right in the oven. Woo! And y'all know. Oh my goodness. We're gonna put this right in the oven. My fully loaded. Twice baked potato. All right, y'all. My potatoes is done. My fully loaded, twice baked potatoes, they done, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Hunty. Let me take one of these out. All right. There we go. I'm gonna put some sour cream on mine. I don't know about y'all, but I gotta have some sour cream on mine, baby. I know some of y'all probably like, ooh, that just messed it up for me. But, honey, I gotta have some sour cream, honey. Got to. Now, y'all know I can't go without letting y'all know how this tastes. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Lord have mercy, Jesus. And I tell y'all. They're right here. Look at that steak, that cheese, the broccoli, shrimp. Y'all, that's too good. I'm sorry. If y'all ain't never made a fully loaded twice baked potato, better think twice. Go ahead, make you one. Let me know if you did, when you gonna make it, how it turned out. Until that next video, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna enjoy this, honey. If y'all watching this video and you have not done so already, please go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so every time I upload one of these easy peasy, super delicious, simple recipes, you'll be notified. Until the next video, y'all. Bye.